All right, my name is Ryan Benson. This is for Unit 6, and we are looking at algorithms and fake news. The question that we are looking at with this assignment is, does the use of an algorithm increase or decrease the likelihood fake news memes will be widely spread? Why do you think this? Let's start out by defining what an algorithm is. There's a great article by Timaz Cernix, rough name, from physicians.org. And he or she, can't tell from the name, defines an algorithm as the invisible but essential computer program or formulas that increasingly run modern life, designed to repeatedly solve recurrent problems or to make decisions on their own. So an algorithm is basically a piece of software or program based off of what you program it to do. Will take a look at different information and decide for itself what to do. You see an algorithm. I think we looked in the discussion bus. We looked at social media and how algorithms affect our feeds with social media. Algorithms can be used in search results. Google uses an algorithm. Facebook uses algorithms. And if I remember correctly, we talked briefly in the beginning in one of the chapters. There's an article that talked about bias, and there's a lady that was googling. She's googling herself, and she found that her name sounded more African American in descent, and she realized that as she was searching for herself, that posts would pop up on things that were biased or racial. So that's an algorithm. Let's look at fake news. Why is it important? How does it affect us? The biggest way that fake news has impacted us, maybe not personally, but as an American citizen, would be in the 2016 election. There was a lot of fake news surrounding the election, and in that previous article, on this article by Time as Scissor and whatever Nix, she talks about in her article how Facebook was blamed for using algorithms to spread and share fake news on Trump, to either make him seem better than he was, or that results were the results were skewed in his favor. So back to the original question of, does the use of an algorithm increase or decrease the likelihood fake news memes will be widely spread? I think so, especially since basically the lady that had Googled herself, she found that we as people were training these algorithms based off of biased search results or internet use. We were training the algorithms to spit back out what they were taking in, which was biased searches or tendencies. So I think if an algorithm learns from what its users, what it's supposed to be doing, then it could increase the likelihood of fake news memes. So let's say we as people are buying into fake news memes and fake news in general, then the algorithms that are being used in our lives are going to also buy into that, because that's what the example that they're being given is. So that's it for this video assignment. Hope this answers the question. All right.